Now there are a couple of types of ornament I cut out from the same piece of MDF, medium density particular board, and this one is very fine. This was made by 1/8 drill bit router. I ordered it today from Amana, and it makes the absolutely stunning impression in comparison to this one. In discrepancy of these big gaps, actually they're not so big. They're performed with 1/4 drill bit. Still, they're looking much greater, and this one is look far finer, since the only increase I made to the raw it's 50% on upon each array of ornamental parts. As well, here we do have 12, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 4. This is equal 12. And on this part we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roughly 4 plus 1.5. And here we have 1, 2, 3. So it's actually bigger than that on 1.5 piece. But this one is look exquisite. It looks a lot finer. So here is the difference on the Pratix S615. Thank you for watching. Okay, this is Dr.Genuks.